Would you let a 3D printer tattoo you? YouTuber Emily Yarid, aka EmilytheEngineer, retrofitted a printer to replace the plastic filament with ink, swapped out the extruder and nozzle with a tattoo gun, and instead of a build plate, used human skin. The device's design involved modifying the printer's hardware and software. The 3D printing software can generate an image that is just a single layer thick instead of printing at multiple layers. That doesn't mean the engineer could ignore the Z-axis completely. The remedy for this was a spring attached to the tattoo gun arm to deal with variations in skin height. The other hurdle was modifying the firmware to ignore values like temperature when printing. Of course, all this sounds like the worst possible way to get inked, so Yarid included an emergency lever to raise the gun arm in case the session started getting a little too painful. Thank goodness. Finally, the 3D printer guru created a large bracket for the patient's leg with a small window on top to expose the skin and make the printing surface as flat as possible. The end tattoo Yarid and her patient, fellow YouTuber and costume maker Dan from Build Daniel Build, designed upon was a simple one-word tattoo in blue ink reading, leg.